This is a book called Rethink Social Media. It's by a guy named Paul O'Mahony. This guy's actually out of England, and I actually worked with him for a brief moment, doing some sales for his company. And this is such a great book. It's a big book. But it really is about rethinking how you do your social media. And what's kind of cool is this little graph. He's like on the toilet for 5 minutes, the toilet plus your phone, 15 minutes, the toilet plus your phone plus Wi-Fi, 55 minutes, the toilet plus your phone plus the Wi-Fi plus this book equals money. And that is what it's all about. So it's about returning to taking a look about how to make money through your social media. And there are lots of ways to do it, but this strategy here is really good, especially if you have a business on social media and you're wanting to add more money, but you've got to stop wasting your time on social media and use it for making money. That's what I do. That's what my husband does. We make money on our social medias. So, it's not a quick, easy read. It's a longer read. You're not going to read it on airplane. And there's about 369 pages in here. So, it gives you an execution plan. It gives you exact by strategies to exactly get organized with your social media. This has been tough for me because I have a bunch of different social medias, and on one platform I post one type of content, on another platform I post a different kind of content. So I've got a different genres and stuff, but this is going to help you niche down and figure out who become the expert that other people are likely to follow. That's the key. So grab this book. Great book. Stop wasting time. Start earning money.